Dear all, in this video, I'll be discussing the second part of important facts on computers. You can go through these questions, and these questions can be expected for different competitive examinations such as RRB, IBPS, various PSC examinations, and different type of competitive examinations. Even you can expect some kind of questions during interviews also. Hope the session will be useful. Let us find out the answers for those particular questions. Regarding the discussion, the first book on personal computers was written by Dash. Who has written the first book on personal computer? The right answer is Ted Nelson. You can note the Ted Nelson was written the book regarding personal computer. Now let me know what type of book he has written. What is the name of that particular book? That is nothing but Soul of New Machine. Soul of New Machine. Okay. Soul of New Machine, one of the book which is related to personal computer, that is written by Ted Nelson. Okay, so 2 questions are completed. Let me move on to the third question. The first computer, the first home computer. Which is the first home computer? That is Commodore. You can note down the spelling. COMMODORE. Commodore VIC bar 20. VIC bar 20. Okay, so this is the first home computer, and this is very important. And also, Soul of New Machine, that was eligible for Pulitzer Award. That is another specialty. Okay, these are the important facts. Let us continue the discussion. You can note down this point in your notebook or somewhere else where you can recall during your competitive examination. Question number 4. The first practical digital computer. You have to give the name of first practical digital computer. Any idea? That is UNIVAC. 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 Okay, this is the first practical digital computer. Another important question. Which is the first programming language? You must have familiar different programming language like C, C++, Java, etc. So first programming language. Which is the first programming language? Fortran is the first programming language. Please note down this. Very important. Fortran. Fortran is the first programming language. One of the very important questions. You can remember this. Especially IBPS examination. If you are preparing for IBPS. Question number 6. Dash is the language of 5th generation computer. Actually, Prolog. Prolog. Prolog is one of the language that is for 5th generation computer. Okay, Prolog. You can remember the name of the language. Prolog language. And Fortran is the first programming language. Let me continue the discussion. Question number 7. Who has developed IC chips? It is one of the very important questions. You can just find out the answer. Who has developed IC? Integrated IC means in the IC, integrated circuit, IC. J.S. Kilby. J.S. Kilby. Kilby, one of the scientists who has developed IC chip, integrated circuit, IC. A computer error is also known as, bug. You must have studied about testing and debugging. In that, bug is very important. BUG, bug. Computer is also known as bug. That is regarding question 7 and question 8. So what is the full form of one of the popular institution which is located in our country? CDAC. What is the full form? Center for Development and Advanced Computer. Center for Development and Advanced Computing. Advanced Computing. Very important. CDAC. That is a full form of CDAC. CDAC was established in when it has been developed. It has been developed in Pune in the year of 1988. Remember this, 1988. Okay. In this duration, in this era, CDAC was established. The development of computer started in India since when the computer development has been started in our country. So the development of computer started in India since, which is the year 1955. 1955. So another important question. First fully computerized village of India is dash. Which is the right answer? So the right answer is Vellanad. Spelling I will tell you, VLLANAD. Vellanad. That is one of the village which is located at Trivandrum. Okay, Trivandrum district, which is located in Kerala state. First fully computerized village of India, Vellanad. Okay. So these are the popular questions which you can expect during competitive examination. Likewise, in the upcoming session, I'll be discussing about most important facts with the computers and which will be helpful for writing the competitive examination. I would like to thank you.